understanding of the game of Shakib has been like out of this world. The way he operates himself, the way he adjusts with the situation, that's been brilliant, and that takes Shakib apart from a lot of cricketers.
आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे ऑलराउंडर की जिनके नाम है 10,000 से ज्यादा इंटरनेशनल रन्स, 500 से ज्यादा इंटरनेशनल विकेट्स और टेस्ट, ओडीआईज और टी20आईज हर फॉर्मेट में वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 ऑलराउंडर रह चुके हैं शाकिब अल हसन की। 1997 आईसीसी ट्रॉफी, जो एसेंशियली 1999 वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर्स थे, बांग्लादेश क्रिकेट में एक माइलस्टोन था। They won the tournament and went on to beat Pakistan in one of the matches in the 1999 World Cup as well. These wins inspired many Bangladeshis to pick up the sport, including Shakib Al Hasan.
Well, I came from a footballing background. My father used to play for our district. My cousin, he played for Bangladesh team. He represented Bangladesh. So it was always football in our family. In 97, when Bangladesh won the ICC trophy, we went to the roads, play with colors and all. So only from then on I started playing cricket. But it was never that I wanted to take it as a profession. But it happened. From family, they were supportive. And even to be honest, I didn't know that I want to become a cricketer or something else, because my father is a government employee. We come from a middle class family, so our dream was to study hard and get a good job, become a doctor, engineer, a professor, a teacher, something like that. But I got that support from my family. They get me admitted in a sports institute. It's called BKSP, where I studied and where I learned my cricket. So in that way, I got that family support, and I would say I was very lucky. From a place like Magura, someone coming to BKSP for cricket wasn't easy at that time. Scenario changed a lot in last 15-20 years, but it wasn't that easy for my family and for me to take that decision at that time. So I'm really thankful to my family, the way they supported me. And to be honest, when I got myself admitted in BKSP, I never knew that I'll become a cricketer. I love that game. As you said, in 99 World Cup, we saw when Bangladesh beat Pakistan, how happy the people were in Bangladesh. So that got me going, you can say. But it was never that. Even when I started playing for national team, first 1 or 2 years, it was never like, okay, this is my profession, this is what I want to do.
फुटबॉल से क्रिकेट तक का सफर तय करने के बाद शाकिब had to make the transition from tennis ball to season ball cricket. टेनिस बॉल के साथ तो सभी फास्ट बॉलर बनते हैं, and the case was no different for शाकिब. But luckily, उनके पहले कोच ने उनका फोकस शिफ्ट कर दिया.
So we used to play a lot in tennis ball cricket. So sometimes I used to bowl fast, sometimes I used to bowl spin. So my first coach, I went to play tennis ball tournament. He was the umpire there, so I got the man of the match, and he asked me to come play for his team. So I went to meet him on the ground, and I bowled spin. The next day, when I went to the training, I was bowling fast. Then after those 2 sessions, he said you should stick with spin bowling, not fast bowling. Because I was a tiny guy, small guy. I think that probably was the reason. So I started bowling spin. Since then on, I am only bowling spin.
लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर के रूप में मोहम्मद रफीक was certainly a role model for aspiring Bangladeshi cricketers, लेकिन all-rounders were scarce to come by. शाकिब अल हसन जैसा तो कोई भी नहीं. He is Bangladesh's leading wicket taker in all 3 formats of the sport. He is their 3rd highest run scorer in tests, 2nd in ODIs, and tops the list in T20Is. He is a natural all-rounder.
So, as I said, in tennis ball, I used to do batting, bowling, everything. But when I started playing with cricket ball, the first game I played, I batted at number 11. Then I got promoted, and eventually batted in all sort of sports. But bowling was there since the start of my cricket ball journey. I always used to bowl. So I would say probably bowling and then batting came in.
Shakib Al Hasan is sought after by most of the leagues around the world. He is amongst the world's best और बांग्लादेश क्रिकेट को ना सिर्फ इंस्पायर करते जा रहे हैं बट टीम को नई ऊंचाई की तरफ भी ले जा रहे हैं.
The knowledge of the game, the understanding of the game of Shakib has been out of this world. The way he operates himself, the way he adjusts with the situation, that's been brilliant. And that takes Shakib apart from a lot of cricketers. He knows his strengths, he knows his weaknesses. He doesn't want to do extraordinary things, but he does simple things in an extraordinary manner. And whenever he's being batting or bowling, the captain in the dressing room, in the practices, he leads from the front, and he takes his knowledge and experience with him. He tries to utilize that. If you look him at training, you might think that he's not putting that much effort physically, but mentally he's extremely fit. He's extremely knowledgeable. He's very, very smart. And whenever he goes like playing the other leagues, the IPL and CPL, he goes and try to learn. And when he's bit under pressure, the way he comes out of that situation, extraordinary.
शाकिब ने कॉन्फिडेंस लिया अपने IPL परफॉर्मेंस से and he has been on fire in the T20 World Cup. Unarguably, he is the greatest player to ever play for the Bangladesh cricket team. शाकिब ने अपनी कंट्री और पूरे वर्ल्ड में ना जाने कितने यंगस्टर्स को इंस्पायर किया होगा to chase their dreams and achieve them. Thank you for watching.